Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, during this pandemic, I'm sure a lot of you must be facing the challenges of keeping your dishes spick and span without any house help around. A great savior personally for me has been the BOSCH dishwasher. Earlier, dishwashers were not so popular in India, but after the pandemic, there has been a huge demand-supply gap of the dishwashers. We had to wait for a period of 2 months before the dishwasher was delivered at our place. So friends, today's review will be all about the BOSCH dishwasher, which I've been using for the last 10 months, and I've purchased it after a lot of research. In my video today, I'll be sharing with you the experience of the dishwasher, its key features, and a couple of demos. And at the end, I'll be sharing with you an honest review of the dishwasher and if it is really worth buying the dishwasher or not. And before we begin, we'd like to share with you that this is not a sponsored video. So please watch the video till the end and post a query if you have any in the comment section. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the BOSCH dishwasher. The model number is displayed on the screen. Now let me show you what is inside the dishwasher. The first part is the cutlery compartment, which is made of high quality plastic. It is a tray for your cutlery and small dishes. Then we have the second basket, which is made of metal. This compartment is ideal for placing a variety of light crockery, delicate dishes, and glass utensils. Here we have a section for additional spoons and stuffs like that. This additional section is made of high quality plastic. We have another bottom basket made of metal. This section is perfect for washing large crockeries like pots and pans, pressure cookers, kadhai and woks, etc. As you can see, this section is adjustable to make space for bigger vessels. So these are the three sections or compartments where you can place the dishes. This is the filter system where the food particles gets collected after every wash. We need to make sure to clean the filter once in a week to remove the food particles. This is the dishwasher salt dispenser. The salt neutralizes the hard water and it minimizes the build of limescale deposits. We have two spray arms in this model. The spray arms ensures that the jets of water are spread evenly across a wide surface, reducing the consumption of water. This is another spray arm just below the second tray. This is the detergent dispenser where you can place the dishwasher detergent tablets, liquid or powder. This is the rinse aid dispenser. The rinse aid solution disperses water from the surface of the dishes and gives your dishes a good shine and removes water spots. You get 6 different program modes in this machine. These are intensive, auto, eco, glass, 1 hour and pre-rinse. Based on your need, you can select the program. Based on the selection and the load, the machine will configure the temperature and the time needed for the wash. So now I will show you the first demo of the dishwasher. I will first show you the dishes which we will clean in the dishwasher. Then we will see how we load the dishes into the dishwasher. And once the cleaning process is done, I will show you the results of the washed dishes. In this demo, I will load the dishes as is. Most of the dishes have hard and dried stains on it. Let us see how the dishwasher will perform in this case. Here I am giving the chimney baffle filters which are heavily soiled with oil, and cleaning them takes a lot of time. In this demo, I'll be using detergent powder and salt to wash the dishes. I'm putting salt in the salt dispenser. Note that salt need not be put in every wash. My machine ran out of salt, so filling it up. Here I am putting the detergent powder. Now I will load the dishes into the dishwasher. Now I am selecting the auto mode, which shows 2 hours 45 minutes. However, the machine will configure the temperature and the time needed for the load. In most of the cases, I have noticed that the machine completes the wash in 1.5 hours. The wash is complete now, and let us check the performance. As you can see, the chimney baffle filters are cleaned very well. The plates are also shining. The cooker lid is also cleaned properly. You can see in the cooker, little bit of hard stains are present here and there. All these are cleaned properly. The burnt marks in the kadhai did not go. You can see some dried food stains are still here. All these are cleaned properly. All these are cleaned properly.
As you can see in the first demo, most of the dishes were cleaned properly except 2 to 3 dishes which had hard and dried food stains on it. Now in my next demo, I will scrub the hard food stains stuck into the dishes before loading into the dishwasher. Let us check the output after that.
Here you can see the dishes which we have used today, and I have kept for cleaning in the dishwasher. I've kept stainless steel, glass, ceramics and wooden utensils for today's demo. Now let us load the dishes in the dishwasher. I'm putting the 3-in-1 dishwasher tablet here and closing the lid. I'm using the Finish Powerball tablet, which comes in a packet of 60 capsules. I'm closing the dishwasher door. I'm starting the machine in auto mode. You can ignore the warning signs for the salt and rinse aid if the 3-in-1 tablet is used, as the detergent tablet contains detergent powder along with salt and the rinse aid. Now the dishwasher has stopped as the cleaning is complete. Even today, the wash got completed in 1 hour 30 minutes instead of 2 hours 45 minutes in the auto mode. We'll now open the door and check the dishes. I will show you the dishes one by one. The vessels are nicely washed and sterilized. Here are the plates after wash. All stains are gone. See the pressure cooker lid? It is cleaned nicely and is shining. You could see the difference. See the pressure cooker? This is the stainless steel kadhai. This is also cleaned nicely. Now let us go to the second compartment. You can see the bowls, glasses, cups, plates, all are nicely cleaned and dry. Let us now check the cutlery tray. These are the spoons, forks and spatulas. See, everything is cleaned and sterilized. As you can see, the demo to output was much better than demo 1, since we had scrubbed the hard and dried food stains before loading into the dishwasher.
Hope both the demos are useful and informative. Now let us talk about the advantages and the limitations of the dishwasher.
Now let us talk about the advantages of a dishwasher. It reduces the dependencies on house help. Dishwashers is a great help for bigger family. You will have a cleaner kitchen without clutter of soiled dishes. It helps to save your time and effort. It helps to save on water as compared to manual washing. Now let us see the limitations of a dishwasher. Dishwashers comes with a high cost. You can use only compatible dishes in the dishwasher. Feel free to use glass, porcelain, ceramic, stainless steel, etc. in the dishwasher, but you should avoid using silver, aluminium, brass, copper, bronze, acrylic in the dishwasher. The ingredients required for the dishwasher like the detergent, rinse aid and salt are costlier than the regular dishwashing. Dishwashers cannot operate if there is no electricity. Dishwashers needs timely maintenance. A very important point, the hard and dried food stains still need some manual scrubbing before loading into the dishwasher. Although this is an extra effort, but this will help you to get a very good result.
Personally, it was one of the best decisions to invest on a dishwasher, and I'm very much satisfied with it. If you are planning to buy a dishwasher, go for it. I'm sure it will be useful. Thank you for watching, and do give a thumbs up if you like the video, and share with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. With this, it is Simi signing off for today. Take care and stay safe.